In this lesson, you will learn letter group 5. Click on the letters that have the sound I say. I. Right. That's right. Qu. Good. Correct. Correct. Great. Right. Good. Z. Correct. Good. Now, click on the correct case of the letter I say. Lowercase k. That's right. Uppercase K. Uppercase K. Well done. Lowercase c. Lowercase c. Correct. Uppercase Q. Uppercase Q. Very good. Uppercase Z. Uppercase Z. Nicely done. Lowercase q. Lowercase q. Nice work. Uppercase C. Uppercase C. Nice. Uppercase I. Uppercase I. Nice. Lowercase I. Lowercase I. Nice job. Lowercase z. Lowercase z. Nice work. Click on the slide I say. Za. Za. Nice. Qui. Qui. Nice. Qua. Qua. Well done. Ka. Ka. No, this is the right answer. Za. Za. That's correct. Ki. Ki. Good try, but this is the right answer. Z. Z. Well done. Ke. Ke. Very good.
Select 3 activities for additional practice. Think about the level of challenge that is best for you. Choose this activity to practice marking words with letters from letter group 5. Mark the vowel in the word zip. That's correct. Mark the vowel in the word 6. Correct. Mark the vowel in the word win. Well done. Mark the vowel in the word big. Well done. Choose this activity to practice selecting letters from letter group 5. Find all the letters. Qua. Find all the letters. Qua. That's correct. Find all the letters. Z. Good. Find all the letters. K. Nice job. Find all the letters. I. Correct. Choose this activity to practice building words using letters from letter groups 1 to 5. You will see some letters. Click on each letter in order to build a word. Click the Next button when you are finished. Build the word win. You got it. Now read the word win. Build the word big. Good. Now read the word big. Build the word sit. That's correct. Now read the word sit. Build the word mix. Good job. Now read the word mix. Build the word fix. Great. Now read the word fix. Build the word him. That's correct. Now read the word him. Build the word quiz. Build the word quiz. That's correct. Now read the word quiz. Build the word did. Build the word did. You got it. Now read the word did. Build the word lip. Great. Now read the word lip.
You have completed all the required activities. Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to complete the required vocabulary for this lesson. Then you can move on.